Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue with the chapter number system. Exercise 1 we are doing. All the previous questions we have already completed. You guys can go and check it out the playlist. Now let's check it out the question number 6. What the question number 6 is saying. Look at several examples of the rational number in the form of p upon q. Okay, rational number is always in the form of p upon q. Okay, where q is not equals to 0, where p and q are integers, the numbers which is given to us in p and q, that are integers with no common factors other than 1. Okay, means the common factors there should be 1. Okay, so we can write it down like 3 upon 2. We can take this example. Okay, and the common number means 5 upon 2 we can take. Okay, and if I will take common example 6, we can take 4, we cannot take 5, we can say that 6 upon 5. Okay, the common is, once if I will factorize, okay, 1 is only common. Okay, so like this we can write it down. Okay, other than 1, and having terminating decimal, all these are terminating decimal, because if I will divide 3.3 by 2, so it will become 2 1s are 2, and it will become 1.0, 2 5s are 10, so it will become 1.5. It got terminated. Okay, again if I will divide this, so it will get 2.5. if I will divide this in a particular number, so it will get 1 point and 5 2 10, 1.2. like this we got the values. Okay, and all these are terminating numbers. Okay, so terminating decimal representations. Okay, can you guess what property q must satisfy? Okay, you can check it out that the numbers which is given to us in the form, in the place of q, these are 2 and 5. Okay, 2 and 5, because we can say if the number is in the form of 2 to the power a, 2 to the power a, okay, or 5 to the power a, okay, or we can say 2 to the power a multiplied by 5 to the power a. Okay, if the number is in this particular form, okay, it is, we can say, okay, these are terminating decimal. Okay, and q must be 2 or 5, or the factors of, okay, and the factors of that particular number will come 2 or 5. Okay, say if I will say 6, so 6 will become 2 3 just 6, and 3 1s are 3. The factor is not coming, so the number is not satisfying this particular values. Okay, if the number is in the form of 2 to the power a, 5 to the power a, or 2 to the power a multiplied by 5 to the power a, then we can say, okay, the numbers are terminating. Okay, p and q, the q must be in a form of this. Okay, so we can guess what property q must satisfy. Q should be in the form of 2 to the power a and 5 to the power a, or we can say 2 to the power a multiplied by 5 to the power a, then only we will satisfy this particular question. Okay, I hope so you guys understood that how we have done this particular question. Okay, so now the next question is saying write 3 numbers whose decimal expansions are not terminating and non-recurring. Okay, means the number is not repeating itself and it is not getting terminated also. Okay, while in the introduction part, once I will explaining the introduction part, I have told you that there is one irrational numbers, okay, which are not terminating and non-recurring, and these numbers are, we can write it down, 1.001, okay, 0001, 00001, like this we can write it down. Okay, this is the first number. Second number we can write it down like this only. Okay, 3 point, or we can say 0.301, or we can say 02 or 03, we can write it down in this particular manner. Okay, so like this we can do it. Okay, so we can write it down 1.005, okay, 0005, 00005. Okay, and the third one I can write it down 1.003, 0003, 00003, like this. Okay, because these numbers are irrational numbers, okay, which are not terminating and non-recurring. Okay, so like this you can write it down. Okay, in the introduction part I have explained this portion. Okay, over there you guys can go and check it out. Okay, I hope so you guys understood that how we have done it. Okay, the question is very easy. You guys, first of all, was the introduction part. Okay, and if you know, then very good, or I have explained each and everything in the introduction part in the easiest manner possible, so you guys can go and check it out. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.